What's up guys, and welcome to the second tutorial of programming in XML/Java within Android Studio. In this tutorial, it's all about Hello World, how to run your app from an emulator or your mobile phone Android device. In this case, we are choosing to run the app on an Android device, so we have to connect the phone from a USB cable from your phone to your computer. Before we start the tutorial, let's just take a look at what we have here. So, setting up your device. Plug in your device to your development machine with a USB cable. If you're developing on Windows, you might need to install appropriate USB driver for your device. For help, click this. But okay, enable USB debugging on your device. On Android 4.0 and newer, go to Settings, Developer Options, hidden by default. To make it available, go to Settings, About Phone, build number 7 times, return to the previous screen to find developer options. Run the app from Android Studio, select one of the project files and then click Run from the toolbar. So if we go to our toolbar, we can press Run and it'll show you this. Choose a running device, Samsung SM-G900F, Android 5.0, API 21. We can cancel this, go back to where we left from. In the Choose Device window that appears, select the Choose a Running Device radio button, select your device and click OK. So that's how we will run our app on the mobile phone in comparison to running an emulator, because if you do run an emulator, you will need a maximum amount of 8 gig to 10 gig because the emulators are so slow. Even a Mac cannot handle the pressure of the emulator unless you're using 16 gigabytes of RAM. You got a 1 terabyte SSD in your machine, and the specifications are maximized. Okay, so we're using a mobile phone. So okay, we can now press Run. Press OK. Go to Hello World. Okay, on the mobile phone we can see my first game and it says Hello World. If we go to text, see what's happening there. Go back to text, what's happening there. Let's run this again. Yes. Okay, my first game, Hello World. If we go back, go to apps, my first game is here, so click that. And there you go. That's how you run an application from your computer onto your Android device and not emulator. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.